Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and good morning everyone.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and good morning.
I'd like to send a warm welcome to all of you to our first meeting. We us today, sit to my left is my assistant and sit to my right are the members of this audit team. Our first initial meeting will take place today. So today, we take a look at the payroll and revenue system that Eucerini Sdn Bhd has implemented. Let's proceed on to Afiq, the audit team representative, to continue this discussion.
Alright, thank you Mr. Shamil. Allow me to begin our discussion today by providing you with some background information about the company. So, the company that we audit is named Eucerini Sdn Bhd. This company is a distributor of imported medical equipment and machinery. Since then, they have seen a continuous fall in sales and income, as well as an increase in unrecoverable debts. As a conclusion, we, as an external audit team for Eucerini, have reviewed and analyzed their internal control systems, which include the revenue and payroll systems. We will present the company control system that the company has established and how it may be improved, as you can see in this meeting minutes. First of all, I discovered that the company's sales staff has a lot of responsibilities to manage in one department, namely sales reps produce sales and manage clients' accounts, which includes all areas of credit control, creditworthiness assessment, and credit limit setting. As a result, in order to solve this problem, the organization must create division of duties. Actually, the accounting department is in charge of handling customer accounts, including credit control and creditworthiness assessment. The sales department is solely responsible for sales. It can prevent personnel from erroneously accepting sales and entering them as paid in the customer's account. As a result, it can reduce irrecoverable debts because creditworthiness management is handled by people who are well versed in their responsibilities. I'll give Rashdan the next presentation.
Okay, we also this corporation award sales bonus to each sales representative based on invoice gross, in that each representative has discount price by up to 40% of the regular price. For immediate admission onto the company payroll and subsequent bonus payment, the company wage clerk, we want to make sure the entry is right and avoid any fraud or misstatement when it comes to paying the employees monthly earning and incentive. Employees deserve accurate pay record, which is the solution to this problem. Every paycheck should include a pay stub with information about their income, such as our worker, overtime pay, and explanation of all deductions. As a result, employees should undertake a self-audit and report any discrepancy to payroll. Ensure that people who are on leave are compensated appropriately. This may differ from their remuneration. The next option is the corporation to sell more in order to recoup the revenue that has been lost. The corporation need to boost sale volume because an increase in sales combined with a decrease in the cost of product margin. Okay, next, I noticed that a simple email message sent directly to the right sale agent confirmed the company's sale order for medical machinery. The solution to this challenge is for the organization to implement a more systematic and accurate authorization procedure using a computer information system, because only the authorized individual. This eliminates the possibility of other staff inadvertently documenting the quantities purchased. As auditor, that concludes our report.
Okay, next. I'll give the meeting's turn over to Mr. Fakar, the senior auditor, for more information on audit planning and the scope of audit procedures.
Based on our junior auditor report, I will build additional auditor procedure for the revenue control system to gather enough data to establish whether sale and receivable control are working properly. Also, watching and tracing method, for example, are used to assess the effectiveness of sale and receivable control in order to assure the occurrence and completeness of sale and receivable transaction. Control testing include determine the effectiveness of both the design and operation of control. In addition, I will develop a test of control to gather enough evidence to establish whether payroll control are working properly. To determine the effectiveness of control transaction control, I will use my knowledge of client system control.
Alright, everyone. This case has been properly examined and analyzed by all of you. If we go deeper into this, we'll find that there are a numbers of issues that need to be addressed in order for the system to be more refined for the organization. Even if everything appears to be in order on the surface, there are several opportunities for fraud and mispresentation.
As a result, as an audit team, we should recommend that this organization make adjustment as quickly as possible.
That's right. Is there anything else to add?
For me, I think that is all for now.
Yes, I also think there's nothing else to add.
Right, so that's all for today. I will adjourn the meeting for now. Thank you, everyone.